For demonstration, here we have 17 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 12 stitches plus 3 extra stitches 15 and plus 2 edge stitches 17. Here I pile 2 base row. You can knit any body you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip and yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pole 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back. Now knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our repeat from here to here. Pole 3, knit 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is 12 stitches pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Again, we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? And here we have last 4 stitches, yarn in front and pole 3, 1, 2, 3. Last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is complete now. Second row, wrong side. In this row, knit as knit and ball as ball. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, ball 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 3, ball 9. Again, we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 4 stitches. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and ball edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pole 3, 1, 2, 3. Now here we have 4 stitches and twist 4 from left to right, this way to this way. Take 4th stitch on your right needle from front loop and first 3 stitches on your left needle from back loop. Take the stitch on your left needle and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Knit 1. Now twist 4 from right to left, this way to this way. Take 3 stitches on your right needle from back loop and first stitch on your left needle from front loop. And knit these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our repeat from here to here. Pole 3, twist 4 from left to right and knit 4, knit 1, twist 4 from right to left and knit 4. Again, we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 4 stitches. Pole 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row, wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Now pole 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 9. Again, we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 4. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in back, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our repeat from here to here. Again we repeat this pattern. Here we have last 4 stitches. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way, this is looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. In this way we repeat this 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater. So friend, if you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.